the man of the moment. A hat-trick in his last game. Can he continue that red-hot form? Stay with us on EA TV. And hello, wherever you happen to be watching from Carrow Road in Norwich. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Norwich City, and they face Brentford.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Frank Onyeka. Small off. Opportunity here. That is a tackle and a half. Well, for Brentford, it really was a fine performance and a magnificent result in the last game against Newcastle United. How might this one go, Stuart?
Well, I think the scoreline tells us what a comfortable win it was. They scored 3 good goals and were unhappy at not keeping a clean sheet. Today, though, it's going to be a...
Oh, wait a minute, Stuart. Opportunity. Oh, denied by the keeper.
Well, what more can you say? That's goalkeeping at its very best.
Well, the referee let it go initially, but now he goes back and cautions him, Stuart.
Yeah, it's a good bit of refereeing. He tried to let the play continue, and then he came back for the booking.
Could be dangerous. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity.
Well, it was a close call, but the fans are not happy with that decision.
Christian Nørgaard. Mack. Can they create something from here? Keeping it moving dynamically. Small off. In it goes! That will do nicely for starters. First goal of the game.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace, while the movement in the box is equal to it. It's such good timing. What a goal.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. And on the back of that particular challenge, will the referee let the matter rest there? Well, he's gone into the book.
Well, he was late, and he deserved a booking for that.
Really good interception. Small off. Could be threatening. And an astute piece of defending. Just hearing someone has scored at the King Power Stadium, but who exactly? We'll find out by joining Alex.
It's a goal for Leeds. They've scored the opener here with 17 minutes played.
Alex with the info as ever. Untidy on the ball. Rashica. And he did well to cut it out. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. And the referee has given the corner, so maybe scope here for them to add to their lead. But he's gone short with it. The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball. Well, the advantage wasn't helping them, and so now they get the free kick. Well, the card is out, and it's yellow.
Yeah, it's clumsy and it's late. Definitely a yellow card.
And a harmless cross gobbled up. Small off. Henry. And a chance to whip it in here. Mack. And a timely intervention. Dowell. Lucas Rupp. Fruitful looking attack. Well, still searching for the equaliser, but not passing it anxiously. Well, able to close down the shot. Let's get the latest on the injury situation from our pitchside man, Jeff Shreves.
I've got to say, he landed really heavily on his shoulder there and looks like he's in severe...
Will he finish? Oh, it was there for him.
Well, it's not a good finish, is it? That was a glorious opportunity.
Nearly at the break then, and the visitors have eked out a lead. Stuart, an opportune moment, I think, to get your assessment.
Yes, they're defended.
Wonderful chance! And a goal to increase their advantage. It's a two-goal lead now.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
So 2-0 now. Well, I'm hearing a goal has gone in the Burnley game. Alex Scott can tell us more.
It's a goal for Burnley. After a well-worked move, he got himself on the end of a cross with a beautiful header. It's now 1-0 with 36 minutes played. I'm really enjoying this one, Derek.
Alex, thank you very much. Accurate pass upon accurate pass. Sergi Canos. Chance to finish. Brilliant, crisp and clean tackle. Can they survive? Takes the shot. And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so well to skip beyond the defender. It just buys him that bit of time to get his shot away. That's a really nice goal.
Well, this is threatening to get out of hand. Just look at the scoreline. Rashica. Giannoulis. Now what can they do from here? Dowell. Well, there to intercept. Dowell. Determined defending. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far, and now the second half is underway. Sergi Canos. Here's Nurgard. Smolov. Christian Nurgard. And still dangerous. Nicely blocked. Mack. Smolov. Terrific block. Well, unfortunately, he couldn't keep the shot down. They're trying to get right into his face. Applying vigorous pressure. Small off. Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. Well, we always enjoy bringing you live action on EA TV and Premier League action coming up. It's Norwich City taking on Leeds United.
What a chance this is, Derek.
And foiled only by the crossbar.
Well, I'm still amazed that stayed out. He looks to have done everything right, didn't he?
Good technique displayed. Ayer. Well, just couldn't keep the ball. Kukcu. Yanoulis. And the cross is very much on. And players waiting at the far post. Oh, but claimed by the goalkeeper.
Well, as you can see, the visitors have had most of the ball and have used it really well today, particularly in the midfield areas. And I expect more of the same as the game goes on.
Well, this could pose problems for the defenders. Small off. Fruitful looking attack. Superb block. It looks promising. Well, covering up defensively. Small off. Onyeka. Well, wide by a hair's breadth. Almost had it where he wanted it.
Substitution for Norwich City. Coming off the pitch, number 35, Adam Ivan. To be replaced by number 9, Ivan Tony.
Well, pressing really high. Pressing high to win the ball. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Brentford facing Burnley. Can they convert? Lucas Rupp. Possession changes hands, the interception there. But I believe changing circumstances in the Burnley game. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
It's a goal for Chelsea. They're back level. It's 1-1 with 20 minutes left on the clock.
Many thanks as ever, Alex.
Well, these fans have started to make their way to the exits here. The game is surely beyond them now.
And snuffing out the danger. Da Silva. Frank Onyeka. Decent position. Now a decent position. A goal! How about that? He's put it away to make it a hat-trick.
Well, here it is again, and it's really poor defending. They just don't show enough urgency to get tight or make a block, which is why the ball's ended up in the back of their net.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Now we're inside the final 15 minutes. Kieran Dowell. Williams. And he saw the situation developing. Petagna. Theme emerging of wasted possession. Petagna. It's a weighted pass. Oh, terrific save.
Well, you're absolutely right. That's a top-class save. Just look how he reacts.
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Not away completely. keeper. Impressive. Mack. Giving it a try. Well, able to close down the shot. Really sound defending. Well, able to survive that attacking push. Giannoulis. Nicely timed tackle. Mack. Making sure nothing came of it. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Sargent. Williams. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Really a very poor ball. And that is that. The referee blows his whistle for full time, and it's a victory for the visitors.
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.